What's up? So we're on eBay right now. See, we are on eBay, and we are looking for golden play buttons from YouTube, you know, like you guys. And we're going to be trying to find it. Let's see if there's anything. Don't see anything yet. If you see any, leave a comment down below. 99 cents to $1.99. $6.99 for that thing. That almost made me. Are you serious? That's a penny. And those are buttons. 29 sold. You guys want to see if they have any golden play buttons? If they do, I swear. It doesn't look like they have it on this page. Okay, let's see if we can find a golden play button. Oh my gosh. They literally have a golden play button on eBay that you can bet on. Oh my gosh, another one. Let's see if we can find whose it is. It only says for hitting 10 million subscribers. Where's... There's 10,400, 10,000, and that's all. So, yeah, that's it for now. Make sure you subscribe, hit that post notifications bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. And in my last video, like where the plank is, you should watch it, because I asked you guys what I should call you. But bye.